Welcome. If you're finding your X notifications cluttered with updates from people you don't even follow, you're not alone. Today, I'll show you exactly how to disable notifications from people you don't follow on X, formerly known as Twitter, using the latest update on your PC. This quick guide will help you take control of your notifications and keep your feed focused on what matters most to you. First, open X in your preferred web browser and log into your account. Once you're on your home screen, look to the left-hand menu and click on the More icon. This will expand a list of options. Here, select Settings. Inside the Settings menu, find and click on Privacy and Safety. This section is where you can fine-tune how you interact with others and what kind of content reaches you. From here, go to Mute and Block. This is the hub for managing who and what you want to silence on your timeline. Next, click on Muted Notifications. This area allows you to decide which types of notifications you want to filter out. Look for the checkbox labeled You Don't Follow. By checking this option, you're telling X to mute notifications from accounts you don't follow, cutting down on unwanted alerts and keeping your notifications relevant to your interests. That's it. With these simple steps, you'll stop receiving notifications from people you don't follow, making your X experience cleaner and less distracting. If you ever want to adjust these settings again, just repeat the process and tweak the options as you see fit. Taking a few moments to customize your notification settings can make a huge difference in how you enjoy X. No more unnecessary pings or interruptions, just the updates you actually care about. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to check out more tips to make your social media experience even better.